Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to Frenemies. Today we thought we'll do something fun, so we are playing a game.
We are playing Truth or Drink, where we posted a story on Instagram. You guys asked us a bunch of questions. If we do not want to answer those questions, we take a shot. Let's get into it. Okay, so
Damn
someone's going to
excited.
be asking us the questions. We're going to be answering it.
Have you ever been cheated on?
Yes.
Who is the bitchier one?
Radhika.
Me.
What's the kinkiest thing you've ever done?
She was thinking of the bottle. Were we unintentional?
Did you guys ever hook up with the same gender?
Oh, I've kissed a girl.
I have kissed a girl.
We've kissed each other.
Yeah. I thought if we kissed the same boy,
Yeah,
then
that's what
that
I
would
thought.
have been spicy. What shot did you make? It was fucking large. There was ice in it.
Okay.
Did you ever date the same man?
No.
We did not date the same man. Did we? No, we did not even.
We've never even hooked up with the same guy.
Wait, let me think.
We've never hooked up with the same
No,
guy.
we have not. No.
It's
Girl
really
code,
funny
yeah.
because everyone thinks one of my ex-boyfriends you've also dated or
Yeah,
hooked up
but
with.
he was my best friend.
He was like your brother.
Yeah, he was like my best friend. My brother would never. Ew.
And now I feel the same way. Ew. So
No, but girl code.
I wish I also made him my brother only, bro.
Have you ever snooped through someone else's phone without their permission?
Yes.
I haven't. I'm not that person. Because also
My
because
yes came damn quick.
once again, I'm not that person because I'm afraid that I'll find something that I don't want to find. That's why I never go through it.
No way.
I feel like I won't check anyone's phone.
I checked someone's phone like 10 days ago.
Who's? Oh. No, but I'm the person who would not check the phone thinking that if I find something, it'll hurt me. So I'd rather be in denial.
Tell us about the worst fight you had with each other.
I'm trying to think. There was this one fight we had. I'm not naming anything. But there was this one fight we had after we went out partying, and Meghna thought this guy was cute. The guy thought I was cute, and we dropped. Cut to, this guy is a famous actor now, but Meghna in her drunken state was just constantly saying she needs to eat pav bhaji. She needs to eat pav bhaji. The guy took us to the pav bhaji place, got us the pav bhaji. He wasn't as famous then as he is now. So no one really recognized him, and he went, he got us the pav bhaji, and Meghna refused to eat it because suddenly she was in a bad mood.
Oh wow, well, that was long ago. But
That was really long
Yeah.
ago, obviously.
Yeah.
And then things were like said.
No, but we didn't fight. As in, we didn't speak. We still spoke to each other. We didn't speak to each other for months. Was that the fight about?
No, that's not this fight.
The cheapest thing you've ever done.
Oh. I have actually, for a week straight, I've gotten high on Benadryl. But it gets you so high, and it just it was easier for me to fall asleep. So I was like, oh my god! Even after the cold and cough was gone, I just drank it for a week straight because it just made me feel high.
It's like codeine, bro.
What the fuck?
What's your body count?
It's really low, but I still am not gonna answer it due to privacy reasons.
What's the privacy? You've answered everything else.
It wasn't sexual, whatever I answered.
Rather.
What's one thing you're glad that your parents don't know about?
A lot of things.
That I snuck boys in when I was younger.
Well, now
Sometimes
they know.
when they were home.
So, Auntie, Ruchi Auntie knows now. I'd rather not have them know.
What's the most embarrassing thing you've done while being drunk?
Oh, bro.
Bro, lots.
Yeah. We are blabbermouths.
Dude, I have been
Recently.
a menace. I went to this Adidas party and I
This
was
is happened like
wasted.
4 days ago, and she was wasted right before we entered the party.
I was wasted before I entered the
Yeah.
party. It was not normal
Yeah.
how wasted I was that
Yeah.
night.
And like a lot of people after, like, but the good thing about Radhika is she'll just know that she's wasted. She'll
And
just
I'll
go-
leave. I'll leave. I know
But
when to leave.
7 people have met me after that saying, "How drunk was Radhika? You know, she said this." I was like, "Oh, I was drunk. She didn't mean it. She was drunk. She didn't mean it." I was like, "You give gali to someone?" She's like,
Okay.
and she's called them and they're like, "It's chill, yeah. It's chill, yeah. Was it a big deal?"
Oh my
But she's
god.
overthinking.
But I have been, I think the most embarrassing was the question that I've ever done.
Yeah.
Most embarrassing thing I've ever done when I'm drunk. I think I have this habit of having heart to hearts with people when I'm drunk, and I would call them in the corner. And this happened when I went to the Maldives with my friends, and I was sitting in the balcony. We were all in my room, and it became like my therapy chamber because I would call one person in, I would talk to them for 20 minutes, they would leave, another person would come in. It was really fucking irritating now that I think
You know,
about
that's what
it.
happens. And even me, when I get drunk, and that person who'll say, "I love you" 20 times. I'm
20
like, okay,
times.
we get it. You love us. Move on.
I'm just like an embarrassment to humanity in general.
Yeah. So yeah, need to control the liquor. While we drink some.
Is it true that Meghna dated Varun?
Why are you having a shot?
I don't want to answer this question.
Yes.
And why did I take a shot?
Ever had a crush on your friend's boyfriend?
Oh no. See, as soon as
I'm
a
thinking, is she
boy-
my friend?
No, but the thing with me would be, as soon as I get to know that guy is the boyfriend, I'll just be like, off limits. So then it can't be. So
Yeah.
I wouldn't have a crush. You just want to have a shot.
I had a crush on a friend's boyfriend.
Overrated influencer according to you?
Radhika said.
I think she's underrated. Just damn underrated.
Name.
तो बहुत सारे लोग आ रहे हैं दिमाग में.
मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा हो रहा है.
I will positivity. I will not tell you.
Ever had a pregnancy scare?
Never.
No.
Drunk texted your exes?
Yeah. Very normal. If you date me,
Drunk
it's a
texted,
very normal
drunk
thing.
spammed. What's the matter? What are you doing? Who are you with?
And bro, the funny part is my texts are like, I love yoy, gubuchu gulabuchu. And everyone's like, what?
Gibberish.
It's like, what did you say?
What are your biggest regrets till date?
My tattoo. Half visible, but you get the point. Oh, you can't share?
No,
What is it?
I'll tell you later.
Rank your exes from most to least toxic.
Most first? Rohit, Akshay, Arnav.
Mudit,
Mudit was high school. High school doesn't count.
it counts.
It does not count. Your high school boyfriend does not count.
Oh,
Anyone before you lost your virginity does not count.
okay, cool.
It's just not a thing. Yeah.
You, madam,
I haven't dated people.
Acha, did you and Settle Settle ever date? Yes, we dated.
I've never been in a relationship with anyone. I've dated people.
But name
ex situationship.
either eat them or drink.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to name. I'm good.
Tripped before a male friend.
No.
Friend?
Stripped.
Oh, special friend.
Only friend. Just friends.
What kind of friend?
Have you ever regretted collaborating with a brand? If yes, name it.
Oh wow. I want to work with them again, so I'd rather not.
Feel like I come really close to answering questions.
I have, like, it's on the tip of my tongue.
I
but
know which one you. It's
Yeah.
the one I love.
Yeah.
But
But gotta love it.
I've regretted working with the brand, but I will work with them again if they
That's
pay
a-
me. Okay, drink.
Oh my god.
Tell us what happened with your former bestie Arunika or drink 3 shots.
3?
What's the silliest fear you have?
Oh, it's also like one of my biggest fears. That I'll fall, like when I'm walking on that gutter, I feel like I'll fall inside and die, and nobody's gonna find me. And I feel like that's why every time I'm crossing through, I will cross through like a bigger route and not cross on it, because I feel like I'll just go inside.
Why did Arnav and Radhika break up?
Not my place to say anything.
Radhika, would you let your best friend date your ex?
Yeah.
She
Depends-
wouldn't.
Depends on
You
who.
wouldn't.
Depends.
You wouldn't.
Akshay, yes. Arnav, no. Rohit, please.
Hooked up in tryst.
That's how I met her.
But we didn't come.
She was kissing someone.
I've hooked up at tryst once.
Yeah. That's how I met. That's how the first time I met her. After that, the next day she slid into my DMs and she was like, "So hey."
निकालो इसे बाहर.
Each other's worst exes and why?
That's your opinion. So your opinion is your opinion, not my opinion.
Your worst ex?
Yeah.
I love him.
That is such a.
So I really, really like this guy. I just think him and Meghna were terrible together. And that's Varun.
Okay. Very good friend though.
I love Varun. Like I genuinely, he's such a sweet dude. I just think you guys were
Like not
beyond
compatible. Yeah.
horrible together.
Yeah,
Like
we're
it was
not
a disaster.
Okay,
Like,
we
I
get
wanted to
it.
kill one
We
of
get
you.
it.
It was not working at all. And I don't know how you didn't see it wasn't working, because it was not working.
I love you, Varun.
Why is Shivani not a part of this podcast?
Because it was our idea. Like
Yeah.
nothing against her. She will probably be a part of it in one of the episodes.
Yeah, but this was just something Meg and I thought we wanted to do
Yeah.
with each other, and then the fact that she moved into the same building as me,
It
made
just gets
so much
convenient,
easier.
yeah.
Yeah.
Who has a better sex life?
As of now. Oh, you know, actually, even I do. As of now. Oh, great sex life. Hi, Mom. I don't know what she's talking about.
Moving on.
How old were you when you lost your virginity?
Oh, I was a late bloomer. I lost it when I was 22.
That's a lie.
That's not a lie, it's 22. I lied saying it was 23, but it's 22.
I thought it's 21.
No, 22.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I've dated that guy for 1.5 years, and then after that, I
I
lost
thought
him.
you all dated for 6 years.
3 years. You.
Time's slow when you're like not having sex.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching this. I hope you had fun, because we had a lot of fun.
And see you guys next Sunday. This was just a part of a cute little segment that we did. We'll be
Yeah.
doing more of these as
Yeah.
well. Thanks so much for watching and listening.